On the high banks of the Yakima River, this shoreline property at 11826 East SR 224 in Benton City, Washington will be the perfect new home. It even has a private walnut grove. The shore goes on for hundreds of feet, and there are wonderful views of both Horseheaven Hills and Rattlesnake Mountain. The hardwood floors add a touch of class to this home. You are greeted by an open floor plan and generous windows. Just off the dining area is the kitchen and access to the deck that will make a meal with friends warm and inviting. The kitchen has an abundance of storage, 3 deep sinks, a built-in electric stove, and a place for 2 refrigerators. Down the hall, you come to your office with built-in shelves. Now we come to a distinctive feature, your master bedroom. You have a skylight with shade, a freestanding organizer closet, and best of all, your very own private sunroom. Your master bath opens to a gorgeous tile shower. You will love this unique sink with spray attachment. Down the winding metal staircase, you come to a spacious living area complete with cozy fireplace. There is a 3/4 bathroom with an oversized jetted tub for those who like a good long soak. There is a bedroom, plenty of storage, a laundry with deep dual sinks, and a wood shop. Sorry, the tools aren't included. You will enjoy your deck with its stunning views of the mountains in the distance. Down by the water, you can enjoy a peaceful walk. Come see your new riverfront home. Contact Dave Shinabarger for your personal tour.